Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore the resource SymbalooEDU. To sign up for a SymbalooEDU account, you need to create a name for the account. I usually use something generic like librarian. Give it your school email address and create a password. You can choose whether or not you want important updates, and you have to agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Checkmark that box when you have filled in these and click Create Account. I'm logged in to my Symbaloo webmix. Click on a tile. The Edit Tile pane will appear. You can search for existing tiles, browse tiles by category, and create your own using unique links. Let's search for a tile. Look for Storyline Online. Click on it, and it will appear here. You can move it around anywhere, and if you were to click on it using this little arrow with the square around it, it would open up in a new tab to take you to the main page of Storyline Online. Sometimes on Symbaloo you want to link to something specific, such as an article or a video. Here's a video of What Happened to Marian's Book, a book written by Brooke Berg. This is a read aloud with the illustrations showing as well. I'm going to highlight and Control-C to capture this URL. Now back on Symbaloo, I've clicked on Add Tile. It's given me the Edit option again. This time we're going to click on Create. Add the address of the website here. Hit Control-V. Now this is not a website, but this is something that I want to embed into Symbaloo so it opens right there. I don't want my students outsourcing to YouTube. I can give it a title, such as Marian's Book Video. Click on Show Text for the title of the little tile to show up. You can change the color of it, change whether the text is black text on white or white on black, and you can use an image for the tile. I'm going to choose this one. It takes it a little while to load sometimes. You can crop the image. I want to show Marian reading in the bathtub. Now click Use This to Tile. It's going to look like that, and I will click Save. Now when I click on this tile, it's going to open the video up right here, and I'm going to click Play. There's the entire video. At the end of it, it does show tiles of videos that are similar to this. So this is a thing to be careful of with Symbaloo, that students will want to sometimes click on these related videos. Now it's important to discuss these two buttons up here. This one closes the video, and this option opens this link in a new tab in Symbaloo, which means that this video would no longer be here in a safer environment. We would be actually on YouTube itself with all of the sidebars and possible comments. You can always edit the webmix itself as a whole when you click on Options. Then you can rename it, change its wallpaper, resize the webmix. When this becomes a green bar, you have little arrows here that let you enlarge it or make it smaller. And you can choose the transparency of the webmix itself. Now I'm going to make a link for my school's OPAC. I've clicked on Add Tile, Create Tile in the Edit pane. I pasted the URL into this bar. It's a website, so that's the option that needs to be selected from this drop-down box. I gave it a unique name, and when you click Show Text or unclick that box, the text appears or disappears here at the bottom. We can change its color. Right now I have it as green. Let's make it orange. I don't want the little default image it tries to give me of Fall at Destiny, so I'm going to click on Choose Icon. And there are tons of little stickers and letter number options that I can pick. I'll choose an open book and take a look at what it looks like up here at the top. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Save. Now this tile, when I click on it, will go to the OPAC of my school in a brand new tab where students can search the catalog. Now I know you're thinking, when this gets used on a website or on Destiny, will this Google bar show up where students can search the web and images and look up things on maps? No, it won't. SymbalooEDU takes this main center section and it makes it just the word Symbaloo. So it's nothing that students can click on, but all the tiles around it are usable links.